Welcome to Altaloma. Classroom 14, welcome to Miss Houchins' classroom. As students enter the room, they are welcomed into the classroom. Each student is given the option of one of these 9 choices to come into the classroom, whether elbow bump, foot bump, wave at each other. This helps build a relationship between student and teacher. This area over here is our station area. This is the area where students can access their individualized Chromebooks as well as their station work folder that contains activities throughout the week that will help the students become more fluent readers as well as better spellers using phonics activities. This is our focus wall. We have social studies, science, writing components, reading and ELA activities, our weekly book focuses, as well as math and vocabulary words. We also have our guided reading area that will help our students become better readers and more comprehensive readers. These are the main things that we're going to focus on, as well as our writing process. Students will come in every day, and based on their student schedule and needs, they will come to this guided reading table. We will read together, we will write together, and we will have lots of fun together. This table here is set up for students to do group work. So that the partition allows the students to participate while being able to communicate without using their masks during the classroom day. Also, this is a wonderful setup that we use as students create videos to respond to their reading. This is a nice little area for them to do so. This section here is our social contract. This is something that helps our students remember how to behave, how to be safe, be responsible, and be respectful throughout the school day. Also, you notice the envelopes. Each envelope is next to the student's picture, as well as a note from their parents, just reminding them of our hopes and dreams and why we come to school to work so hard. This section here is our daily schedule. The students will know what to expect and the times that they will be expecting that activity to begin. This helps keep our students on track throughout the school day, as well as me, the teacher. Our I can statements, they really help our students understand what our focus is going to be in each individualized area. So for reading, we can understand how characters are feeling. Social studies, we can learn about technology and how it's useful. Math, I can quickly identify the sums and differences for basic facts. And for science, we're investigating the effects on magnets, light, temperature, of matter in the world around us. This board here is showing off some student work. We have been doing a lot of math projects lately. We do not have any current writing up at this point, but we are working towards that. So our students do have some wonderful examples of their math activities happening. This section in the room is our library. Students have options to choose from many different types of books. These would be our chapter books, many different genres. These are books about animals within this story. We have some nonfiction text where they can learn facts about topics and animals. And these are our biography books where students can learn about other people throughout the world. Thankfully, this quarter we have put in the mandate where the students are required to wear masks when they are doing group work. So we are able to add these wonderful dots down here to the carpet so the students can separate but then also be together during story time. This has allowed us to move our tables individualized into table groups. So we have our individual tables set up and the students are enjoying these much more than sitting individualized in the classroom. They're really enjoying being in a group. Thank you so much for coming to our classroom. My name is Jillian Houchins and I am enjoying teaching your child every day.